Introducing the 2012 Honda Odyssey. A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 6-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. This model accommodates 8 passengers comfortably and provides features such as power trunk closing assist, one-touch window functionality, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, and power front seats. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate, no matter how far the drive. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as anti-whiplash front head restraint, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.